Good morning, children. Today we will discuss about vertically opposite angles. What are vertically opposite angles? Here you see this figure. If the pairs of non-adjacent angles formed by the intersection of two straight lines are called vertically opposite angles. Here you see that in this given figure, AB and CD are two intersecting lines where angle A, angle C and angle B and angle D are two pairs of vertically opposite angles. So let us know that vertically opposite angles are equal. Now angles A and B are on a straight line, angle A and B on a straight line. So angle A plus angle B is equals to 180 degree. Equation of first, and also angle B, angle C and angle D on a straight line. So angle C plus angle D is equals to also 180 degree. That is equation number second. Here from equation first and equation second and equation second, we get that angle A plus angle B is equals to also angle B plus angle C. Angle B plus angle C. From above the solution, we get that angle B and angle B cancel out by both sides. So angle A is equals to angle C. And the same way, if angle A is equals to angle C, then also angle B is equals to angle D. Angle B is equal to angle D. So that is vertically opposite angles. Now we raise this, and also we discuss about supplementary angles. What are supplementary angles? Here you see the figure A O B 27 degree, and also figure A B C 153 degree. We see here that the sum of two angles, angle A O B plus angle A D C, is equals to 27 degree plus 153 degree, is equals to 3 7 10 1 156 square 180 degree. If the sum of any two angles is equals to 180 degree is equal to 180 degree, then we can say that is supplementary angles. Now again we discuss about complementary angles. What are complementary angles? Complementary angles. Here see the figure. A O B 53 degree, and figure C D E, that is 37 degree. Now we can say that if the sum of two angles are 90 degree, then that angles are called complementary angles. Here you can see that angle A O B plus angle CD CDE is equals to 53 degree plus 37 degree is equals to 7 3 10 0 1 1 3 4 4 5 9 90 degree. So that is called complementary angles. Now again here we discuss about our exercise 10.1. Here the figure a point like on this side P, here Q, here O, and this is L, and this is M. In this figure, name the adjacent angles in the following figures. So we know that adjacent angles, they have a common vertex and they have a common arm, and the non-common arms are both the angles are on the opposite sides of the common arm. So here adjacent angles POL and LOM and MOQ, POL, angle POL, angle POL, angle LOM, angle LOM, comma, angle MOQ, angle MOQ, and also angle MOQ. The adjacent angles are angle MOL. MOL and POL, also the adjacent angles are LOM. So analysis now. In next question, question number 2. Identify which of the following pairs of angles are complementary and which are supplementary. Here you have given that part A, that is 35 degree and 55 degree. You have to given that. I told you already that the sum of if any two angles are 90 degree, that is called complementary angles, and if the sum of any two angles are 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. Here you can see that 35 degree plus 55 degree is equals to 5 5 10 1 1 5 6 3 9 90 degree, that is called complementary angles. Complementary angles. So here in part B you have given the pair of supplementary angles 45 degree and 135 degree. So first of all we sum these 45 plus 135 degree is equals to 5 5 10 1 1 3 4 4 8 and 180 degree, that is called supplementary angles. Supplementary angles. Here, find the complement of each of the following angles. We have to find. Erase this. In question number 3, part A, we have to given that to find out the complement of this angle. That is given that 0 degree. So already you know that if if some other two angles is equal to 90 degree, then that is complementary angles. So here 0 plus 90 degree, then is equals to 90 degree. Already you know that. So the complement of this angle, 0 degree angle is equals to 90 degree. Okay, clear this? And in our next question, question number 4, we have to find the supplementary angle. We have to find supplement of this angle. Here you have to given that part A 87 degree. So we have to find the complement of this angle. Now we know that if the sum of any two angle is 180 degree, then that is supplement of each other. So here B, suppose that other angle is x plus 87 degree, x degree plus 87 degree is equals to 180 degree. Now x degree, we have to find x. Also imply that x degree is equals to 180 degree minus 87 degree. So x degree is equals to 10. We carry here 1, 10 minus 7 is equals to 3. And now here remains 7. So 1 7 17 minus 8 equals to 9. So x is equals to 93 degree. So the supplement of this angle is equals to 93 degree. Now clear? So time is over, and again we will see later.